Hello, students. My name is David. I am a dedicated tutor with expertise in both science and information technology. I'm bringing a blend of academic knowledge and practical experience. My early teaching roles in chemistry and biology helped me develop a passion for simplifying complex concepts and creating supportive learning environments. My professional experience in leadership and supervision has strengthened my skills in communication, problem solving, and structured training. Currently, I am advancing studies in computer science and software engineering, ensuring up to date knowledge in modern technological fields with understanding the challenges of learning from a student's perspective. My tutoring is centered on engaging student focused methods, building strong foundations, encouraging curiosity, and applying knowledge to real world situations. Outside of teaching, my interests include scientific research, community development, and exploring emerging technologies. Thank you for your audience, and I hope to see you in my class. God bless.